Welcome to RollerBrewsters. We talk everything hotels,
theme parks and drinks, and hotels.
All right, so today we're at Holiday Inn Six Flags.
Directly across from Six Flags.
It's like a mile from the parking lot. And they do have a shuttle here also. We just figured that out, we just checked in. But yeah, so.
We're gonna tell you what it's like.
Yeah, join us.
Cheers.
This is a Holiday Inn with a fun dome.
Sounds fun.
Kind of like if you were to go to, I don't know, the Holodome by, I don't know. I'm distracted by a couple things right now. But we were heading to the Fun Dome.
Fun Dome. Restaurant, lounge, and lobby.
Fun Dome.
Cute.
Did it say this way?
Yes. Fun Dome's only open till Monday.
Oh yeah. So we have shuffleboard. Okay, there are actual rooms here attached to the Fun Dome too. Mini golf. That's a few things here. I'm going to film the pool because there's tons of kids walking around. I just feel weird doing that. So there's a pool right above here with some arcade games. So here's your bar. So you have one beer on tap.
Lots of liquor.
Bay Scotch Old Fashioned. Bar Scotch Old Fashioned, only $5. What do you think of your Snap Lie?
It's good.
Top-notch reviews here.
Yes.
That's good.
So yeah, this is an Oktoberfest.
A little early.
By a local brewery here in St. Louis.
Budweiser?
There is a St. Louis Budweiser, but this
Schlafly.
Schlafly. I am not good at saying the name, but it's Oktoberfest, so it has like a rich aroma. It's nice. It's good. It tastes.
Is it like a Sam Adams Oktoberfest?
It's like a Sam Adams Oktoberfest, but really good. I really like it. I was afraid it would be a little too dark for me and too heavy, but it's actually pretty light and nice. Cheers.
I got a cider, Angry Orchard. They're pretty popular. Alright, so we just found out that this hotel is like 200 years old.
Which is crazy.
At least part of it. If you look at the wall here, you can see the stone.
She said that they started building it and they had to stop because of the Civil War.
Yeah, the Civil War.
That's insane. So very cool. The history here is awesome.
So we're heading back out into the lobby area.
This is the original building that was 200 years old.
This is where they kept the prisoners.
From the Civil War.
Ooh. So there's a restaurant here on property. We will not be eating there because we are getting up super early tomorrow to head to Worlds of Fun. So we are not going to enjoy this breakfast buffet, but as you can see, they have something out here that I'm about to show you. And it will tell you about the Super Breakfast Buffet. So $14 gets you all of these delicious things. If we were going to stay here longer tomorrow, we would have the breakfast buffet, but we're not. We're heading out like at 5 in the morning. So.
All right, let's check out the room. We can get in the door. Looks very clean.
So this is a king. Appears to be comfortable. We have a TV. Nice desk area.
Some drawers. Ooh, a nice
Does
little
come
mini
with
fridge.
a mini fridge.
Coffee maker.
A fancy light.
Yeah, this looks nice.
Nice bucket. We have
It looks like a door going out to the...
We have drawers. Yeah, let's see where this
patio or
leads. Did see there were balconies, but they're shared balconies, I think. So I'm guessing this is a shared. Oh no, it's just.
it's
Yeah, we're outside now.
right outside.
Right back inside we go.
Okay. Oh, that's convenient. We park right there.
Air conditioner.
Go seat here.
Let's check out
Wow, plugs.
the bathroom. Oh, weird. We got a handicapped room.
For some reason, we always get the handicap room. We don't know why.
Well, I don't know. But handicapped.
Yeah.
We got some nice toiletries there.
Not a lot of counter space, but some.
The commode.
Oh yeah. There's some towels.
Got a nice stool for me to sit while I'm showering.
They have some little things here like shampoo and soap and stuff, as well as a hair dryer.
Smart.
Yeah.
I think this room is about $250. Jess can figure that out and put it on the screen while she's editing this. But this hotel is directly across from Six Flags St. Louis.
Fantastic.
I mean, it's a mile away. And like, I mean, a typical Six Flags park, there was 0 directions on how to get out of the parking lot until you got to like a certain area, then it gave you directions. But that's for a different vlog, I guess. And again, I'm trying not to be cynical of Six Flags. But this hotel is really nice. It's a Holiday Inn. It's kind of Bavarian styled, which is kind of cool. And it, like that door that we just went out to get up, like, up above us, there's, I think there's 4 floors. There's like little balconies up there.
Yeah,
So
we don't have a balcony because obviously we're on the first floor apparently, so we
Yeah.
just go right out to our car if we had parked there.
She did tell us to go to the 2nd floor.
She did. But that's okay.
Yeah, so the room appears to be really nice.
Very
We're
nice.
literally just sleeping here tonight. We were at the park all day.
Yep.
All right, cheers.
Cheers. I made my family disappear.
Look at this view.
Might be a good day.
That wraps up our time here at Holiday Inn St. Louis. It was a good hotel.
It was really pretty.
Yep,
It's one of the nicest hotels we've been in lately.
I agree.
So highly recommend it. It is a really nice place to stay, especially if you're at Six Flags St. Louis. This is perfect.
And they do have a restaurant on site, but there are not very many restaurants around this area.
Yeah.
So if you're not a fan of eating at restaurants and hotels, then this might not be it for you. But besides that, awesome. And the restaurant looked really nice too.
It did. We just didn't have time to eat there.
5:30 in the morning, so we're leaving now. All right, but yeah, great hotel. Recommend it. Highly recommend it. Everybody here was super nice, beautiful,
Thank you.
clean. Yeah.
It was great. Thanks for joining us.
If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, like. Really helps out the channel. Thank
Cheers.
you. Bye.
If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks so much for watching RollerBrewsters. Cheers!